Today, our topic is empowering Dutch partners with the Salesforce staff augmentation. So the agenda for today, so we'll have an introduction. I will introduce our company. We'll understand why RedTech, why we can collaborate together. My colleague Roman will go through partner evidence today, and we'll discuss potential next steps and how we can work together in the future. So let's begin. First, I would like to thank you today for your time, that you shared some time for us. And we also are very grateful to our partners that you can see below, and for years and years of cooperation. And we always are looking for to find a new partner and to add to our portfolio. And if that would be you today, we would be more than happy to get you on board with us. So we'll start. I would like to introduce our CEO and founder, is Nazar Mekitin, and he once said that we have to give a chance to grow, and we receive in RedTech we receive a chance to grow every day as a employees. And we also give a chance to grow to our partners and to grow not only as in the community, as also as a part of to grow the Salesforce capabilities to extent that is possible, that is maximally possible. So so my name is Dennis. I'm a senior account manager at RedTech. I work in this beautiful company for more than 3 years already. So we started our journey in 2013. So far we have more than 10 years of experience. Currently, our team consists of more than 100 specialists. We are through these years, we received a highest level of appreciation from Salesforce as a summit partner. We also a PDO partner. Currently, we managed to hold a highest possible score is 499. And we are very proud of that. And so what do I do in general? I am responsible for EMEA region and for our outstaffing line of business. So if you'll have any needs in the future, or I will be your main point of contact in this regard. So please feel free to reach out at any time. I'll be happy to guide you through our company further. And yeah, the values are very important for every company, I believe, and it's a foundation for any company. And for us, of course, is that. So we believe that trust is the main, the concrete of any long-lasting relationships. So that's why we focus on our clients' results. At first, we see your project as our project, and our team, when it engages, it always go through the end, and no one is left behind. So you feel our team always as your team, and that's how that's kind of one team with a client, how it works. And for all that, to have this, you have to have to have a passionate team, and they have to love their craft. For that, I will get back later to this in our presentation, and you will see how it works. So now RedTech in numbers. As I mentioned, through these 10 years, we have more than 500 projects delivered. Also, we have 100 Salesforce experts on our team. We are very proud to have more than 30 long-lasting clients. And recently, again, we have a Salesforce MVP on our team. It's Oleg Mikitin. He received a golden hoodie recently. We are very proud of that. It's especially for Ukraine, as we have it's only Ukrainian Salesforce MEP from our region, from Ukraine, and it helps us a lot to promote our company and our country in US and Europe. So we are very happy about that we have him on board with us. So our services, we have 5 services, let's say, and one of the most common are staff augmentation, team lead model, and managed services. So staff augmentation is, you might be aware of that, how it works. So it's when you reach out to us and we can extend your team. So we have Salesforce developers, QAs, BAs, consultants, architects. So you can also reach out to us and you can extend your team long-term or short-term with our developers at any time. Also, if you need a team to cover your project, you need to separate team. You can choose a team lead model. Is when you have a team and one point of contact is an architect level developer, for example, and you will have your own team that will handle your project. Also, we provide managed services. Is when you have needs, you have any tasks, for example, to data migration or some other tasks that are for example, you have to understand how many hours and how much time it will take. So you can get one of our services, of our packages that will cover this this need, or also you can have an SLA business agreement and or 24/7 support that we also offer for our partners. And I mentioned 5. So yes, as I mentioned in previously, that we are PDO partners, so we can help you with. It works for existing ISV partners, and in terms, it kind of works as a staff augmentation when you just add our specialist to your team, but they are subject matter experts in the area of how things work on App Exchange, let's say, and with the apps. Or if you have a great idea and want to implement it from scratch, and we can also help you here. So you can also rely on us in this area if you have such intentions. Yeah, the products we implement. So the main 4 products that we offer is, of course, a sales, service, manufacturing, sales service, non-profit, experience cloud, and of course, other clouds we are well aware of and worked with through these years. Our main expertise in terms of industries, we have subject matter experts in manufacturing, retail, consumer goods, also logistics, professional service, non-profit, as I mentioned, and financial services, and so on and so forth. Besides that, our team we are always looking to something new that Salesforce pops up. For example, we are good in CPQ platform, Service Cloud, Experience Cloud is also is our thing, Marketing Cloud, and so on and so forth. So regarding our offices, we have offices in Chicago, Illinois, and our main development base is located in Lviv, Ukraine. So in Lviv, Ukraine. So long partner, and I would like to tell you a few words about our long-term partnerships that we are proud of. So the Provisio partners, they are one of our biggest partners so far, and they are located in the US. So they are more in non-human services. We joined them in 2017, and now more than 25 specialists work on the project together. So we started from when the revenue was around 1 million, and now the revenue skyrocketed to 15 millions last year. And we are very proud of that, and we are looking forward into future with them. So also a partner, MindSquare is a company based out of Germany, and we work with them on a lot of big projects in big German companies for quite a years also. Currently around 10 of our 15, last year 15, now it's 10 of our specialists work on the team alongside them. And the next few is also, it's our first partner. And we are very proud of that, and we are grateful to work with them for these years. And yeah, so you might know they have offices. We may say that it's an international company, and we are very proud of having experience working with them for more than 10 years already, and have them in our portfolio and work alongside them. So why choose RedTech? So we always tailor our teams to your project needs and needs. And also we very flexible when it comes to changing the expert, for example, or having new expert if you need someone, or extending your team in kind of simultaneously when you need that. Also, our team is certified. As I mentioned, we have more than 500 certifications. On average, it's like around four certifications per person. Also, you can stay assured that we will find any solution to existing problem that you might issue that can arise. For example, due to our internal community that we have, and the knowledge base of through 10 years, that we will find the solution for any situation that can appear. Also, regarding when it comes to cultural alignment, there is no problem for us to working with as for our company, English is a must, and there is no problem working with any time zone and the cultural so cultures, let's say, through that we work in Europe, in different countries, and the US. So also, and regarding when it takes to continuous development, let's say we have our IT Academy, so that makes sure that our developers always constantly developing in technical part on Salesforce side, on the Salesforce side, on soft skill side. So that gives our also a benefit for us and for our partners when it comes to collaboration with our specialists. And so how we work, we join on early stage, or we can join on some on mature projects. For example, it depends on what you need. So also we are all all of our specialists, they work through agile methodology that makes sure that we are on the same page and everything goes smoothly. And also passionate, we are always passionate about the quality, and we do that to make sure that the quality of the end result is the highest level. And yeah, RedTech Academy is that we always, as I mentioned at the beginning, regarding our values. So our RedTech Academy is made for that we find our specialists, new specialists in universities in Ukraine, and we invite them to join our company and to discover what is Salesforce. And then the best of them stays after the courses. They stay on our company, and also this academy deeply and tightly cooperates with our team. They listen to their needs, to their requests, to their ideas, and also currently offer different courses, different meetups, and that gives an opportunity and a stage for our specialists to train the skills, soft skills, share knowledge, be speakers, and that kind of also gives a lot when you interact with our specialists and they are more well-rounded at the end of the day. So yeah. And here you can see our, let's say, badges that are that we already earned through this path that we have. So that is kind of shows that what expertise do we have, and like official expertise do we have, and what we can share, and what you can use when working with us. And yeah, seems to me that that's the I'll give the ground to Roman. Roman, please continue from here.
Yes, thank you, Dennis. Hello, everybody. My name is Roman, and I am lead Salesforce developer at RedTech. My work experience with in this area started like years ago. Even at the university, I was always interested in kind of enterprise and commercial systems, and it evolved naturally. And I started working actually with Dutch companies since 2009. So like about 15 years, I'm already working on this market, and yes, know it quite well. Work for some companies here. My experience in Salesforce is 8 years as a developer. Before, I used to be a .NET developer. Also, currently, I'm busy with one of our ESV partners on implementing their products, but I was working also with generic Salesforce partners and I have done a lot of Salesforce implementations myself. Yeah, fun fact, I do trail running for fun. Yeah, really not that Netherlands are not the best country for that one, but still. Hey, let's move further. Yes, at this moment, I would like to talk about one of our partners, Salesforce partners in Netherlands, and that was the most complex, most challenging, but at the same time, the most interesting project I was working on. So, as you know, classical Salesforce partners, they do implementations for other companies, right? And our client came to us with a need of extending their development capacities. Usually, people in Netherlands, they tend to work with the local people, right? When your Dutch people can come to the office, they're speaking the same language, they have the same cultural background, and they're working on collecting requirements and as a basic input point for us. Like they work like a business analyst, and they can do some basic configuration. But we were, as a Ukrainian party, we were implementing the actual code, and we were doing a lot of actual implementations. So that was the most beneficial way of interaction, right? Also cost efficient, because you don't need to keep expensive development team on site. You can outsource it or nearshore it to Ukraine. So Dennis, if you will scroll next, please. Yes, so what we have done for that partner, he had a lot of that was a big studio, and they had a lot of their own customers, and also those customers, they were working in variety of areas, right? So it was not only one area, saying like healthcare or manufacture or fintech, but it was like they really had a lot of customers scattered all over the area. Also, the level of complexity was different, because for some customers, we were doing just regular Salesforce implementation out of the box. We implemented some few simple flows, and they're good to go. What we need to do was just like to support them from admin side and time to time check are there any issues on the flows and provide run Salesforce updates. But also there were quite complex customers. They had a lot of integrations with their back office systems like SAP. There were customers that were requiring from us development of custom modules, custom components, and also digital experience customer community portals. So big portfolio, a lot of people, a lot of customers. How do we handle that one? Right, that was a challenge. And what we have done, we have we started growing slowly but firmly. So we provided our most senior people on a customer. They became like a subject matter expert in each area, and they were responsible for certain pool of accounts. And then we also introduced more junior developers to help them. And by having variety of people on that account, we managed to shift them. We also built a very good knowledge transfer system, right? So we wrote a lot of documentation, so every new person that will join this team can easily wrap up himself into the process what we are doing, but also was aware of a customer situation because we were keeping track of everything and all changes that we were doing there. Also, we always had a Git system, so a source tracking system in place to always trace back and keep track of everything that was happening on each specific customer. Yes, Dennis?
Perfect.
Yeah, so that was big, interesting, and challenging project. Like people were growing there, like, I don't know, very, very fast because we were implementing, we were working in different areas, we were implementing different products, and we had, as a result of that project, we had a very strong team that was working cross-domain and in a sense, you can even say cross-platform, because we also had a marketing team as a part of that environment. Also, our UX specialists have done a good job when we were busy with implementing new modules and new components. Yeah, so like that, yes, we have that experience. We can handle from simple project to the very extensive project, and we can support you and your environment, your organization with our specialists. Thank you.
Thanks. So yeah, and so we have a next step and Q&A session right now. So please feel free to ask any questions. So and we would be happy to answer all of them. So who's today on our call that might have any questions for us? Yeah, do we have anything? Okay, so let's.
Dennis, I think we have one question in the comment section. See it? Or should I read it?
Can you please ask?
Yeah, sure. So how long is the onboarding process time for the specialists?
So, but I can answer this. But I mean, like it's quite fast. It mainly the main kind of thing here is the documents, the legal part, the NDA and the contract that we can sign, but mainly as we use the internal team. So if you have the request, for example, for some specialist, and we have it, and you'll have the answer and the CVs of the specialist in a day, let's say. And if they are okay, you can. We prefer to sign NDA first before the interview, but if that's okay with you, you can go ahead and interview the specialist like on the second day if you want. And if they are available, they can start working in a couple of days. If not, we will let you know that, for example, up to a week, the specialist will be available. But usually we get them from our pool that we have currently, and it's kind of up to a couple of days, and then we have to send sign the documents. And it depends on your part. Usually we handle it quite well, quite fast. If that's kind of the answer for your question.
Thank you, Denise. And we have one more question here for Roman. What clouds do you usually work with?
So I have the basic triangle, as it calls. So Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, and Digital Experience Cloud are my main specialities. And personally, I love working with LWC and building custom components. So I can work with different clouds, but yeah, my main specialty is developer and with a focus on UI, UX, and LWC.
Thank you. Thank you for your answer.